Hello and welcome to Hindustan Times Online. Desi Martini. My name is Sandeep. Right now, I have with me one of the most celebrated actors of Bollywood and obviously the theatre repertoire, Mr. Sachin Khedekar. Hello, Sachin. Welcome to the podcast.
Hi.
Sachin, at the very outset, I mean, I'm sure this question is going to be repeated. I mean, you've heard this question umpteen times, but I'm going to ask you nevertheless. How has the lockdown been treating
Oh, well, the lockdown, as actor, one is so used to meeting people and
you?
talking and presenting yourself constantly that
Yes.
lockdown has felt like a jail. And it actually felt like, I'm going to lose my craft. And I've gone
Acha.
through a whole lot of emotional turmoil and all of that, because I really felt that the need to connect to the audience is
Hmm.
so severe in every actor
Intense.
or everybody in the creative field, that it did take a might out of me to stay positive and fight the pandemic.
Hmm. Absolutely. So, firstly, talking about halal, um, what was perhaps one of the most intriguing factors as far as you are concerned? कि आपने हाँ किया इस वेब शो.
The most attractive point of Halahal was the script. It's written by Zishan Kadri, who wrote Wasipur. And so it became an instant attraction, because it is based on real incidents. And the Dr. Shiv's character, the way it was written and the way it is, Dr. Shiv faces the system, how he tries to find out what happened to his daughter. He's an emotional man, a family man, runs a small clinic in a small North India town and sends his daughter to be a doctor so that she can continue his legacy. दो बेटियां हैं, and he feels that's the world to him. And when a mishap happens and he loses his elder daughter who's about to become a doctor, he suddenly is shattered and his life is turned around, and now he tries to find out what happened to her. And he has a cop with him who's also trying to go through all the thrills of the screenplay and the film. But
Hmm.
the complexity of Dr. Shiv, that एक छोटे से शहर का छोटा आदमी, when he enters the big bad world of a big city, tries to find out what is happening. You have cops, you have bad elements, and you're still emotional. You're trying to come over your grief and still trying to find out what is wrong with the system and why is the system not answering a straight question like मेरी बेटी के साथ क्या हुआ. Now that is
अच्छा.
something, that plight, you imagine a grief of मतलब इतनी बड़ी बेटी का ये जो भी हादसा हुआ, किसी की भी जिंदगी उलट पुलट ही हो सकती है, जो डॉक्टर शिव के साथ हुआ. एंड हलाहल मीन्स पॉइजन. जिस तरह शिवजी ने विष पी लिया
Yes.
था, उस तरह से डॉक्टर
Exactly.
शिव,
मैं इस पे आ
how
रहा
he
था.
how Dr. Shiv digests this whole thing, how he comes to terms with it, is the film.
Okay. Okay. Um, Sachin, in the current times, especially with all whatever has been going on right now, do you think that people would kind of connect with the series on a different level altogether?
I really feel that they would connect to the realism and connect to the thrill element of the whole thing. Because the way it is made, I mean, Randeep Jha, who's directed this film, we shot this film in Amroha and Ghaziabad and in and around UP. So the
Right.
atmosphere is so rugged and to the point that it would, if one starts watching the film, they'll not be able to stop it for 100 minutes. That's for sure. And, it has that element of in the audience that everybody would feel कि ऐसा हादसा किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है और हमें अपने आप में we've got to be prepared to face anything which the system throws at us. You know, that would be a big lesson for the audience, and it would kind of, our attempt is to show the audience a mirror and make them think.
Acha Sachin ji, you've been a part of the industry for a long time. I mean, I think 85 में आपने सबसे पहले एक्टिंग शुरू किया था. Being
Yes,
an engineer yourself, you had an engineering background, then you came into acting and all of that. Uh, I mean, over all these years, what do you think has changed in the industry, and what exactly do you actually see yourself as changed in terms of your interaction with the media, in terms of what you say to the people, or perhaps the way you answer questions from the media and all of that? कैसे सब कुछ change हुआ है वो मुझे
absolutely.
जरा जानना
Absolutely. To me, as personality also, I've been ever changing. And if you see the creative field or the films, television, theater, all these mediums have been changing from time to time. You can make out from the films made in 70s to 80s, then from 90s to 2000, after the millennium. Uh,
है.
we started off with completely family films, drama, this, that, then came to masala films, then we came to action and item song films, and now we've come, after the millennium, we have come to more sector specific emotion, real drama, real love stories. So it has been changing, and that change is not only because the makers were changing, even the audience was changing. The audience also evolved over a period of time, and now जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं, they are catering to a set of audience, and now with the web coming in, that transition will go on quicker and quicker, because on the web people are watching world content. It
Right.
is kind of more subtle. It has gone beyond languages. The language of film only has reached, you see any content on the OTT platform, it is dubbed in 100 odd languages. So if
Yes.
if
Yes.
people in if people in Mexico are watching Hindi and Marathi films being dubbed in Spanish, even we are watching Narcos in English in India, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So you imagine that the language barrier is completely out. So as filmmakers or as actor, that ever changing personality or ever changing face of your work is a given. I mean, when I started, of course, I was like a youngster, idealistic, made rules for myself. I will only associate myself with this. I'll never do this, never do that. But all those things which I said I will never do it, I did all of it,
Yes.
and kept
I get it.
changing
I
my
get it.
narrative. And kept changing my narrative. I mean, when I look back, I did. I sometimes feel I've been hypocritical about the stance I every time took. But as actor, I actually thought that if I'm not able to fit into all the setups I worked, if I don't be a part of Bose the Forgotten Hero with Shyam Benegal, or if I
Yes.
cannot be
Yes.
a part of David Dhawan's Judwa 2, or if I can't be a part of Mahesh Manjrekar's Astitva with Tabu, I mean, then if I stick to only one genre and with only a mindset of this is what I'm made for, then I'm probably lying to myself. Do it all at the same time. I should be able to transcend languages, directors, setups, platforms. I can do a film, I can do television, I can do theater. So I have been. So your question was about the change. So the
Yes.
change, yes, one has changed, but it is in the quest of getting newer and newer audience, and trying to reach to a newer and newer audience all the time. That has been the thirst as actor.
So today, in retrospect, when you perhaps look behind, you have had some really humongous roles, some really very big and some very impactful roles in your career. And you were a theater actor also. I'll come to that in the later
Yes.
part of my interview. But talking about films, what is that one film you thought that this was perhaps one of the best films that I've ever done, and I am proud of that one particular film? ऐसा कोई film है?
आ, अरे ये तो मतलब ये वाला ऐसा वाला सवाल है, किसी बावर्ची को पूछो आप जो खाना बनाते हैं उसमें से आप में से कौन सी it's kind of unfair, but yes, there are a lot of films which have given me lot of satisfaction. Like
Hmm,
I played Subhash Babu's character with Shyam Benegal, which kind of actor, and as a learning experience. And in a way, after that film was made, released, I was always I always had a national character, but I'm probably a more nationalist now. History kind of rubs onto you, changes, it leaves an impact on you. And the
yeah,
film also watched by so many people gives you a lot of satisfaction. Well, similarly, let's say Astitva also, it was made in 2000 when, I mean, I really think that film was made much before time. People are
absolutely,
making
absolutely,
all those kind of films now. We had made it 20 years ago. Or to my mind, all my commercial films, or all my, I've done a Marathi film called Muramba, I've done a Marathi film called Shivaji Raje Bhosle Bolte Hai, which is huge, reached a lot of wider audience. And you know to an extent, when a film is appreciated, people come and talk to you about it, it actually never remains your film. It has become their film. And when they come and congratulate you, or they tell you that we remember that film, that's the kind of work which gives me great satisfaction. And a few of my been able to, I mean, let's say they not must have done, there were at least 15 to 20 odd films which kind of will keep me alive for a while more.
absolutely, absolutely. Coming to your theater repertoire, what exactly? I mean, theater is a different medium. When you talk about films, it's a different medium altogether. I mean, both have their own challenges, both have their own, things to extract from the audiences, and their way towards, extracting a reaction from the audiences. What medium do you find yourself as in your? What is that space? Is it theater or is it film? That you perhaps feel that I am more comfortable. I am more, you know, I can feel myself in that particular, uh, space.
To an extent, theater is actor's medium.
Hmm.
Television or web is a writer's medium, and
Okay.
films is the director's medium.
Director's medium.
In a nutshell. But as actor, yes, I have been acting in theater for so many years now. I still keep doing it. That is for something like, it's like a riyaz. Any singer would have to get up in the morning and keep doing riyaz, practice this, that. So if you call yourself an actor, you must have some workshop where you go every day and at least work on your craft, work on your speech, work on your, all that happens in theater. The rehearsal process of the theater is a great learning. And of course, the show is also a great learning. Every time you do a live performance in front of a different set of audience, gives you different insights. Now, having said that, as actor, even if the theater is actor's medium, I love acting in films. I love acting in films, and that's because it becomes technically more challenging. You know, uh, I remember Nasiruddin Shah once said, now I've got so much used to the camera that I can feel the camera smiling, I can feel the camera crying in front of me, like the live audience. I
Hmm.
have kind of that technical craft I have achieved. But in
Right.
films, uh, I feel the actor is tested more. and you know, टुकड़ों में performance आती है. They edit it, they edit your best parts, they keep you on your toes, and then when it reaches the theaters and has an impact on the audience, the films have a larger impact, a larger audience. My excitement is acting in films.
Okay, all right. Before we end this conversation, Sachin, you've got to tell me. Again, coming back to the web film for that matter, Halal. Uh, what is that one particular scene that you actually found challenging, or what do you think, according to you, was really difficult for you to shoot, or perhaps, uh, you know, uh, be, take in yourself while you were shooting the film? कुछ ऐसा
Um,
था?
you know, there are a lot of such instances, but I'll tell you the element of thrill. The element of thriller is always instances happening quickly, you moving around from one situation to other, and trying to hold on to your own character, which is about an emotional father wants to find out, but he's not a He-Man, or he's not a Bahubali who's going to change completely and become and trash everybody around you. So now, in all of that thrill element, to keep the emotional quotient intact and not just be angry. So that kind of balance, no, of the emotionality, the grief with that anger was a great journey. And there are, in the second part of the scene, I would be a giveaway if I tell you the scene. That's why I'm trying to hold back. But in all of that process, that complex running on a thin line is what was most exciting about Dr. Shiv. And just the trailer created so much of curiosity around that we have got this feeling in the team that there's something right about what we had discussed and what we had done. So I'm sure people would fancy the idea and the film.
Also, Sachin, even though I said it was my last question, I have one question in my mind right now, just popped up. You have done, different kinds of films throughout your career, throughout the entire of your film journey. Uh, do you think, is there any other role, or is there any other perhaps character that you would aspire to play, or perhaps want to play? Is there any such character?
Um, I would really want to play something like, now we do have our own Steve Jobs, and we do have our own social network, Zuckerberg guys in India too.
Yes.
A success story of a small idea becoming big, and the something that created a buzz which was small and became a big thing. Something like that. Or let's say, I don't want to say Mark Zuckerberg or Steve Jobs, but I want to play something extremely Indian and our own pride, autobiographical something. That would be the take in life.
All right. इसके पहले भी you have done a lot of biographies. मतलब अच्छा, autobiography मतलब किसी के
well, not.
Yeah, you were saying something.
I mean, real character, some real character. I'm not saying autobiographical. I'm saying a real character based on something which has made a world of a difference to our own country and our own people, in a sense. Like I have always felt, Dr. Kurian, who created Amul, the brand, or the Milk Society.
Right.
That came out like a sea of change, for everybody. I would love to play Dr. Kurian and the Amul story someday.
Wow, lovely. All right. So with that, we come to the end of this lovely, lovely conversation with one of my favorite actors, Mr. Sachin Kerekar. My name is Sandeep with Hindustan Times Online. Thank you so much.